Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
As usual, before each update, the Time Machine utility on Mac creates a backup of your existing environment. A quick side note, on Mac, updates from macOS 10.6 are not supposed to generate data loss issues. An update keeps the desktop and all personal files intact.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
As with most macOS updates, there's almost no reason not to upgrade to Catalina. It's stable, free and has a nice set of new features that don't fundamentally change how the Mac works. That said, because of potential app compatibility issues, users should exercise a little more caution than in years past.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
How to reinstall macOS. Step 1. Backup files on Mac. If you don't want to suffer from an unexpected loss of your important files during the reinstallation, then you should take a backup of your data beforehand. Step 2. Boot Mac in the recovery mode. Step 3. Erase the Mac hard disk. Step 4. Reinstall Mac OS X without losing data.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
You can install Catalina over your current macOS, keeping all its data untouched. Or, you can get a fresh start with a clean install. The main benefit of clean installation is that you get rid of the system junk and leftovers which might hamper your Mac's performance.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.